Good morning students, welcome to the class of English 2. Today we shall complete the exercises of lesson 7, Rikki Tikki Tavi. So my dear friend, please get ready and take your book, pen and pencil. I have already given the answers in PDF, but you match it. Now see, the first question is in exercises. Come to the page number 68 and first question is A. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct option. First question is, what kind of animal was Rikki Tikki Tavi? Option A, cobra. Option B, tailor bird. Option C, mongoose. So correct answer of first question will be C. Option C, a mongoose. Second question, where did Teddy and his family live? Option A, apartment. Option B, a bungalow. Option C, a hut. And correct option will be a bungalow. Third question, who was Darji? Option A, tailor bird. Option B, cobra. Option C, tailor, a tailor. Correct option will be a tailor bird. Clear friends? Now see number 4. Who are Nag and Nagaina? Option A pair of toads. Option B, a pair of tailor birds. Option C, a pair of, now see friend, a pair of cobras. So here, now question number 4, correct option will be a pair of cobras. Number 5. Number 5 is, who was a threat to Teddy and his family? Option A, Darji. Option B, Rikki Tikki Tavi. Option C, Nag and Nagaina. So correct option will be Nag and Nagaina. Now sir, number 6, who is the protagonist? Protagonist means main character. Main character, protagonist in the story. Option A, Chuchundar. Option B, Nagaina. Option C, Rikki Tikki. And correct option will be option C, Rikki Tikki Tavi. Now multiple choice arbitrary question is over, sir. Now we move to the next exercise. Now see sir, next exercise, please come to the page number 70. And here time to learn new words. Time to learn new words. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech. Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech that imitates the sound. Associated with the objects or action they refer to. Now what is the definition of onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is a figure of speech that imitates the sounds associated with objects or action they refer to. For example, Rikki Tikki Tavi was named so because of his war cry, Rikki Tikki Tavi. Now here, now section A. The words in the box are examples of onomatopoeia. Choose the correct word. To complete each blank, you may have to change the form of some words. Here 10 sentences given students, and down in box given 10 words. Now see, clap, quack, clap, quack, sizzle, slur, shur, purr, nod, hiss, zoom, crackle. Now we will complete section A. Now I am going to write question on the correction. Section A. See it? Yes. Here, choose the correct word. Choose the correct word to complete. Word to complete each blank. is blank. Now number 1, see friend. First one, I was startled by the loud. I was startled by the loud. Then what I said? At the door. At the door. So in first what I said? Knock. Loud knock. Alright? K-N-O-C-K. Clear? Knock. Now let's see second sentence. Second sentence is as I cuddle the kitten, as I cuddle the kitten, it began. What say? It began to, what I said? Here write purr. In blank place P-U-R. Began to purr. Yes, sir? Now see number 3. Number 3 is the child is, what to say? The child is slur. The child is what right here? You write here slur, S-L-U-R-P, R you write S-L-U-R-P-E-D, slur and slur, both will be correct. Okay, in simple present you write slur and in simple and past you write slur, both will be correct. Clear, sir? While eating their noodles, while eating their noodles. Okay, while eating their noodles, what I said? Yes, noodles. Number 4, what right? Number 4 is paneer pieces. Paneer, what is the paneer pieces? The paneer pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S, paneer pieces, what I said? Paneer pieces, sizzle, what right? S-I blank place, double Z, sizzle, you can write sizzle also, sizzle, either sizzle or sizzle, both will be correct. On the frying pan. Clear, friend? Now I am going to draw the first one. Okay. Now see. Yes. Next you can see. Yes. Next number is number 5. The fast car. Number 5. The fast car. After this blank, what I zoom. What I said? Zoomed past on. What I passed on. So you write here zoom. Number 6 is the ducks quack. What right? Quack. Or you can write quack. What right? Anyway, in the lake. Clear, sir? In the lake. Either quack or quack. Either write in simple present or write in simple past. Now see the next. The audience. Next, I am going to the second. Now see, number 7. The audience audience, clap, oblique, clap. Either you write in simple present clap or you write in past tense, then write clap. At the end of the performance, at the end of the performance. What I said? Performance. Over. Now I am going to write next word. Next sentence. Number 8. The twigs. Number 8. The twigs crackle. CRACALE. Crackle, alright? Crackle. Clear? Both will be correct. In the bonfire. In the bonfire. Clear, friends? Bonfire. Now number 8. Number 9. Number 8 is over. Priya said, shirt, SHH, shirt, sign of exclamation. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Yes, friend, baby is sleeping. Number 10, last one. The snake hissed. The snake hissed. H-I-S-E-D. Hissed when the man went near it. When the man went near it. Clear, friends? Near it. Now we'll see now see, in first you will fill knock. In second sentence you will fill per. In third sentence you write slur or slurp, both will be correct. In fourth you write season or seasoned, both will be correct. The first card zoomed, 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 right? Zoomed. Clear, sir? Past us. The duck quacked or quacked, both will be correct. Clear, sir? The audience clap or clap, both will be correct. The twigs crackle or you can write crackle, both will be correct. Clear, friends? The next, Priya, in 9th you write sure, in 10th you write hissed. Now we move to the next exercise. Next one is table. In table you have to find out words. Now my dear son, please come to the page number 71 and see the tables. Here it is, find 18 English words of Indian origins in the word Greek. And the words are see, and see. In first you get horizontal, Kashmiri. See in the first line, CASHMERE, Kashmiri. Now in second line you will get Kushi, CUSHY, Kashi. Then third line you will get Bangle, BANGLE, Bangle. Then fourth line Juggernaut, JUGGERNAUT, Juggernaut. Next line Guru, GURU, circle it. Then next line you will get caught, COT, caught. Then next line you will get punch, PUNCH, you got to send in middle. Then second last you will get C-H-I-T, chit. Then same line you will get one more word, pajama. What will get? Pajama. Then last line you will get loot. And one more word you will get dacat. Loot, L-O-O-T. And dacat, D-A-C-O-I-T-A, dacat. Clear, friend? This was the horizontal. Now you see vertical line. Vertical from the right hand side. Mahout. See the leaving the first box. You Mahout. M-A-H-O-U-T. Mahout. Then you get bandana. B-A-N-D-A-N-A. Right? Bandana. B-A-N-D-A-N-A. Bandana. Then one more word you get is thug. T-H-U-G. Thug. Clear? So three words you got here. Thug, bandana, mahout. Clear, sir? Now you will get slanting line. In slanting line you will get first from the starting. See. Jungle. See. 1, 2, 3. Fourth table. Slanting line, jungle, J-U-N-G-L-E, right? After that you will get next from the corner. See, friend, dingy, D-I-N-G-Y, slanting line, jungle, then dingy. Clear, friend? Dingy. Then you will get shampoo, S-H-A-M-P-O-O. Match it, friend, shampoo. Then one more slanting line you will get chutney, C-H-U-T-N-E-Y. Okay, sir, I have already uploaded the answers. You can match. Okay, sir, if there will be confusion you can ask in the class. Okay, now sir, we will move to the next exercise. Time to study language. Time to study language. Yes, time to study language. Yes, next exercise is time to study language. Now see, come to down the table. Time to study language. You will find here identify the kinds of highlighted pronoun. Identify the kind of highlighted pronoun. Highlighted, what do you say? Pronoun. P-R-O-N-O-U-N. Okay? Highlighted pronouns. S is also there, right? Highlighted pronoun. Question is, find identify the highlighted pronoun. See the first one. First sentence, A, section A. What is written here? You get, he went off. Number 1. Right, action C. He went off. Alright. For his nightly. For his nightly, N-I-G-H-T-L-Y. Nightly walk round the house. Round the house. In the book you will find highlighted word he. You have write the pronoun answer right. He. What I said? He. You write subject personal pronoun. Subject personal pronoun. See the second sentence. Second sentence is Ricky dragged himself to Teddy's bedroom. Ricky dragged himself to Teddy's, right, capital is Teddy. Teddy's, what I said? Yes, That is bedroom. Bedroom. Highlighted word is himself. Right. Answer right. Himself. Reflexive pronoun. Answer right. Himself. What right? Reflexive pronoun. What I said? Reflexive pronoun. Clear, friends? The third one is Ricky himself killed the dog and the cat. Ricky himself killed dog and Nagana. Clear? So here himself answer right. Himself. What right? Himself right here. Emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun. Clear, friends? Emphatic. What right? Emphatic pronoun. Number 3, himself is emphatic pronoun. Now we will run next. First sentence and write the next one. Now see, friends. See the fourth one. Meera and I. Fourth. Meera and I met. What do you say? Yes. Met Jisha. Met Jisha and Riya. Met Jisha and Riya. Met Jisha and Riya. Yesterday. Right? We met them on Sunday too. We met them on Sunday. What is it? Sunday too. So here we answer right. Answer B. What I said? B. Personal pronoun. Right? Subject personal pronoun. What I said? Subject. It is subject. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Now next sentence I am going to write here. Number 5. Now see number 5. Number 5 is, see friends. Number 5. Who is not? Number 5 is who is not. Question mark. Who is not? Not will be capital letter. Right. Not. Here answer right. Who. What is interrogative pronoun? INTERROGATIVE. Interrogative pronoun. Number 6. What I said? And how am I to be sure? And how am I sure to be? What I said? I am to be sure. I am to be sure. What I said? Now see one more line. See here. See this one. Yes. See from here. Number 6. And how am I to be sure? Right? That not. Underline word. The highlighted. Not won't. Not won't, met them. Sorry. One more word is we met their friend. Here them is also, you write this one. Here I have written subject personal pronoun and them. We, subject personal, and them, object personal. What I said? Them you write. Them you write object personal pronoun. Them is object personal. What right here? Them object personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Clear? Will keep your mind. You will get two. Now see friend, and sure that not won't mistake me, mistaking for you some dark night, for you some dark night. Clear friend? Now see, answer right. What right friends? Here you write that. Answer right, that. What I said? That is relative pronoun. What I said? Relative pronoun. Now see once more. See in your book, first sentence, section A, identify the kinds of highlighted pronouns. He is highlighted in the first sentence. He is first, what right? Subject personal pronoun. In second sentence, himself highlighted. Himself is what I said? Reflexive pronoun. And third, Ricky himself killed the Nag and Nagina. Himself is emphatic pronoun. Number 5, Meera and I met Jisa and Riya yesterday. We met them on Sunday. So we here in this sentence, we and them both are highlighted. We is subject personal pronoun and them is object personal pronoun. Clear friend? And sixth one is in sixth sentence given that is relative pronoun. Who is not. Number 5, who is interrogative pronoun. And number 6 sentence given that is relative pronoun. Clear friend? Now move to the section B. So section B, the question I'm reading here. Adjectives have been used incorrectly in every line. Underline the incorrect adjective and write the correct adjective in the blank given along. Now see friend. So in first line, see friend, here you will get lines are given. In each line you will find some mistake, incorrect adjective. You have to write the correct adjective. Now go to the read and write the correct and incorrect adjective. Now see section B. Section B. See friend, section B. Here write incorrect adjectives. Incorrect adjective and here write correct adjectives. Clear friend? Now first line you get what? Youth. Correct will be young. What I said? Young. Second line will get England. Second line will get England. Correct will be English. Correct will be English. Third line will get her. Here write his. Correct adjective will be his. It is used for teddy, right? Now see, now next line 4. Concern written here. CONCERN. It should be concern. CONCERNED. Concern. Now move to the next page. Page number 72. See next word. Sure. Written surer. Written S-U-R-E-R. It should be sure. S-U-R-E. Now next line. Abandon. A-B-A-N-D-O-N. Correct will be A-B. What I said? A-B-N-D-O-N-E-D. Abandon. Right. Then written dead. Dead snake. Dead. Correct will be deadly. D-A-D-L-Y. Clear, friend? Now you get next. I'm writing here. Okay. See the next one more. Now I'm going right here. Yes. After this written him. Next line written him. Now I'm going to the first. Yes, first one. Now see what to write after that. Yes. Him. Him written. Next line. It should be his. What I said? His. The next written, next line you get wickedly. What is written? W-I-C-K-E-D-L-Y. Wickedly written. It's a wicked. What I said? W-I-C-K-E-D. Next. Humanly written. Humanly, H-U-M-A-N-L-Y. So what I said? Human. Correct will be human. Now, next one. See friends. Protect. Protect written P-R-O-T-E-C-T. It should be protective. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-I-V. Protective. And then next one. Scare written S-C-A-R-E. It should be scare. Scare. Okay, beta? Now see the next word. Spelling. Now I'm going to rub it. You can see, you can match. Okay? Yes, I have already given the answer. You can match this. And the next one is spelling. Yes, I'm telling you, you can match this one. See this first one, spelling. Now rearrange these words. First one written bugle, B-U-G-L-E. Correct answer will, what right? Bulge. What I said? Bulge. B-U-L-G-E. Now see the second written kitchen. It should be thicken. T-H-I-C-K-E-N. Third written peach. You will construct new word. It will be cheap. C-H-E-A-P. Number 4 written parsley. So you will write players. You will write new words players. P-L-A-Y-E-R-S. Then send number 5 written tools. T-O-O-L-S. Tools. Then you write new words from this stool. S-T-O-O-L. Stool. Then number 6 written dealer. From the dealer word you will make new word leader. L-E-A-D-E-R. Leader. Now my dear son, next word is master. From master, word number 7 master, you will make new word stream. S-T-R-E-A-M. Okay friends. Now number 8 tavern. T-A-V-E-R-N. Now you write new word servant. S-E-R-V-A-N-T. Now number 9 hearty. You write new word earthy. E-A-R-T-H-Y. Earthy. Clear? Number 10 written finder. So new word you will construct. It will be friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Clear son? Now see first word bulge. From bugle word right bulge. Second from kitchen thicken. From peach cheap. From parsley players. Number 5 tools. You will make new word stool. Number 6 dealer. You will make new word leader. Master, you will make new word stream. Tavern, from tavern you will make new word servant. Right. Hearty, new word will make earthy. And finder, new word will make friend. Okay, son? Exercises are over. Now rest will be not up. Time to listen cross. Right? Time to speak cross. Time to write cross. And project, there is no project work. You cross these. Okay, son? Now we'll continue next chapter. Thank you very much, friends.